YouTube channel again, and take a look at this. We're at the HQ of WPL RC again, and they just made a very beautiful showroom over here. Look at that, they display all their range over here, and don't worry, I can assure you that there are a lot more models coming out. And today, this video, I'm going to show you two new products. One is an accessory, another is an upgrade. Very cool. They just gave me a demo just now. And also, to those, look at this. This is a WPL shirt. And do you want it? Because this is a very limited edition. They have not given to any people before. It's only for staff. So today, the very generous boss wants to give you guys 5 of this, shipped anywhere in the world. So watch the video to find out how to win it. And for those of you who would like to make a visit to check out the new showroom and try out the indoor track, the boss said you're more than welcome. So now let's take a look at the product and give you a more detailed look at what this tool is. And some of you may have seen it on Facebook last night, as the boss posted it on Facebook before. I'll give you a more close-up shot and explain to you some of the extra features. Something very cool that is not that has not been existed in the market before. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing is the new sound system V2. Let's have a look what's inside. You get a remote, your sound system V2, the instruction, very clear instruction, as well as the speaker, and the stickers, new sticker, which I figured on my phone. So this is a new remote, and there are some new very cool features in it. Exterior wise, they told me they have made improvement on the steering. Previously it was wobbly, so they upgraded, they made improvement on the mold, and then now it's much better. So some of you may be familiar with the buttons over here already. The top one, SPK means speaker, to toggle on and off of the engine mode, and then light as well by short press and also long press. Short press for speaker, long press for the light change. And then there's a gear shift button and also on off button here. And then pressing both will be for binding and also switching between the cars, which is a very cool function that I'm going to show you later. Very cool one. And at the side here, this is something new, which is for your winch. And then it's proportional, man, proportional, not just on and off. So this is a new sound system V2, and there are few main features which is now it supports 3S, and there's a overcurrent and a heat protection as well. Also, as you can see here, external device is for the winch, or as well as future accessories. And also, this is my favorite cool new feature. You can do binding to 2 different cars just by using one remote. There are diesel and petrol version of sound system. Now I'm going to show you a very cool feature which I have not seen in the market before. You can use one remote to control both cars, and then by pressing the button, you can switch between the cars. So I'm going to show you how to do that. To use that function, you have to turn on both cars first. Then turn on your remote and press the bind button. So because this is car 1, and how to do that? By switching over here. You can look at the instruction manual. There's a jumper here, over here. Okay? And then how do I switch from this to this, car 1 to car number 2? By pressing both the button over here, the vehicle switching button, 2 buttons here. And then you can see the light change from this to this. Just hold it. I've never seen this before. It's so smart. See? So I switch over again, and I can control. Alright? Then I try to turn it on. Okay. And now it has sound. When I switch over, you can still switch over, and then this will turn on the engine sound a few seconds later. Let's say 15 seconds. And let's wait. See it turn off. Very cool, right? So I'll also show you the different sound between the petrol version and diesel version. This is petrol. I'm going to switch to car 2. By the way, do take note that even if you're just playing with one car, whenever you turn on the car and the remote, you still have to press one time to bind the car. You must do that. Unlike previously, where you just turn on, if you've binded before, you just turn on and play. Now you have to turn on both and just press the bind button once and then it will work. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so next part is the winch. This is what you get together with the instruction manual. I help with the translation, and this is how a complete one look like. And these are your parts. This is actually the engine. So this winch is compatible for a C34 model. You just have to remove the screw inside and then slot it in. It doesn't require a screw. As for the older model, you have to do a little bit of modification. And then just now I saw them do testing using this to pull this. It's freaking powerful. I was very surprised. And this is a KM version, a metal version. If you have the sound system V2, you can just plug it in. But for those who don't have this, you can use the aftermarket ESC brush one, the smaller one, to control it. So that's all for the introduction of the two new accessory and upgrades, winch and also sound system V2. And then I noticed a lot of you guys are asking for new models, and the boss would like to let you know that there will be C44, 54 and 64 coming. For those who stay on to find out how to win the t-shirt, just leave a comment in the video to share why you love WPL, or if there's any suggestion and comments, the boss will pick the winner randomly. So that's the end of the video about WPL new product. And by the way, I would like to make clear that although I'm wearing a WPL shirt, I'm not working for them. They don't pay me to come over here as well. I pay for my own flight here. So for those who like to support me to continue making more of this exclusive latest update video about WPL, if you can, whenever you want to buy some product of WPL or anything, especially from Banggood, please go to the description in my video. Those are affiliate link, and when you successfully purchase from the link, I do get to earn a little bit of commission, and it doesn't cost anything extra to you, but it does help to pay some expenses to come over here all the way to shoot videos to you guys. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and share as well, and I'll see you here maybe. You're more than welcome to visit. Bye!